Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
The ladies got their nails done. Purr. It's just a hair chill. Like, this is not the design that I wanted. I wanted white instead of black, actually. Hi, how's it going? I'm Amali N, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So, I really haven't done introduction to this video, but yeah, it's currently the next day and I am going to unplait my hair. I'm even afraid of opening this thing, but I'm going to unplait my hair because I have a hair appointment soon, I think. Don't mind the crust. I haven't bathed yet because, like, you get me? But I haven't bathed yet, so I wanna unplait and then bath after. So I'm currently going to watch Atli. Even the last video I watched was this one, so now I'm going to watch this one. Yeah. Just want to be in my shot. It's crumbly. Yum, yum, yum.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
Yes, girl.
You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. No, we get it.
What's up, guys? Guess who did her hair with this pungalicious? Me. Anyway, so we are doing a try on haul with this bad lighting. It don't matter. Mr. Price. Okay. Mr. Price, guys. Mr. Price. So my cousin went with my mom to the mall, and I don't know whether I should trust him or not. But I think I trust him. Eh? Yeah, we think we trust him. They actually got 2 things for me, guys. That's fine. I would have loved it if this was a skirt. Yeah, I thought this was a skirt, but it's actually shorts, and I think I like the color because I don't have a lot of shorts. What is this? Oh, okay, Miss Girl. And then we have this denim dress looking kind of thingy. I think it looks cute. Imagine it with white sneakers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The only reason why I'm gonna wear this dress with a top on is because we're not trying to look weird. Okay, it looks weird, but like we're not trying to. It's touching. It's touching. Anyway, that's it for my try on haul. Papa, we need to go back to the mall, guys. I need a rematch with the mall. Free.
That you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit, you weren't special.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, that, shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm different by default.
Hi YouTube, my name is Boiteko, and we are going to Frankfurt.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, yo, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow, 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 I need to go and shadow. I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like.
Sizubulana namaku esitolo. Oh, moving control. Oh yeah.
Somebody got you, I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't pass, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, I need to go and shadow, 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 I need to go and shadow.
Such a mini thingy. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is so wonderful. Like, this is so pretty. I'm not even gonna.
Currently at the candy shop, but we ain't buying anything. So.
Yeah, we ain't buying anything because malobolo.
I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got the ass to the floor. I've been in
Stolo sabantwana, let's. Stolo sabantwana, let's. Go, Camilla. Guys, tell me these are not cute.
She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high ride.
If you love me. I want an avocado la. Boring. Wow.
I got a puppy and this.
Don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know, you go.
No, thank you.
Drop that ass to the floor.
Mango milk.
Fresh milk.
It's very nice.
It's very nice. And then can I
Salad.
top salad? Okay, your super fruit.
Super passion fruit.
Yeah, super passion fruit, Yona.
It's very nice. Also, it's very nice. It's just that it doesn't have the coconut cubes.
Oh yeah.
The fresh mango milk in Lama.
Coconut balls, yeah.
What about the grape one?
The grape.
Grape one has, the grape cocoa has this chewy, like, what do you call this? It's main nut called
Oh yeah.
jelly tots, chewy
Okay.
bubbles, honey flavor bubbles.
The mango juice.
Mango juice also has mango bubbles.
I'm gonna have the fresh mango.
You're gonna have this one, the top salad.
Can I please have the grape one?
The grape one.
And then what are you gonna have? The fresh mango as well.
No.
But how does the watermelon one taste?
Yeah, how to?
Watermelon.
Oh.
Watermelon with ice and then the
And the super fruity.
I think I want the super passion. Yeah, you can remove the fresh mango.
It's super fruity. It's kanjani?
I've been to Fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my private babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom. Then you want to get it, a lot of faith. You know I like when you're right at the top.
Yes, it tastes like castor oil. Mine tastes like castor oil. Sengimane ngiyaphuza nje ngoba kuyaphuza. Yabona lento. Ngeke. Hi guys, so we are back from the mall and I got a few things for myself. Not everything, but I got a few things. I forgot to get like tops. I only got one top. So I'm gonna do a mini haul for you guys so you guys can see what I got from the mall. Okay, so I'm going to do my haul. Don't mind the background, chill. Like, okay, so these are the things that I got from Mr. Like, these are the things that I got. I got 2 dresses. I don't know why I got the brown one, because my mom was like I should take the orange one, but I was like, took the brown one, took the pink one, and I bought this thingy. I also bought this t-shirt looking kind of thingy. So I'm gonna try them on for you guys. So this is the first dress. It looks like this. Yo, it's so short. It is so short. So I give this dress a 8 out of 10, but it's okay. It's okay. Clothes. Got a little bit too scared to film because my aunt came in, but yeah guys, t-shirt looks like, but this is how the t-shirt looks like. It's going to look a bit weird because I wore it on top of the t-shirt, but I'm thinking to myself, Nate, don't mind this. I'm thinking to myself, I could have bought the orange one, but sis, like guys, there's nothing I can do. I bought the pink and the brown one, and the screen top, greenish, mintish, whatever top. And yeah, that's it for my Mr. Price haul. Y'all, when I tell you, it's been a long time since I've shopped from Mr. Price, but now they are eating. Yes, Anna, they are eating. But yeah, I actually like what I bought for the first time in forever. I like the dresses that I bought for myself. And yeah, yeah guys, that's it for the haul. So pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see next. Do not forget to follow my social media platforms at Astro Bay, or check out the description down below. Also, do not forget to follow my skincare page at Amali N Organics. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
I know go feed the guys out though. I'm a mind that's you can talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.